Definitely, it's not going to be in order to put all these things into the order, in fact, it definitely is not going to be a small exercise. So over the past few months, the teachers, the dance masters, the karate masters, in fact, it's very difficult to name who all have a direct Shramadhan on this. On behalf of all the parents, can I just request a heads up and a huge clap for all the teachers and all the staffs for this. Madam, in terms of how the event went, it's very easy to say whether it went good, bad, something like that. But are we trying to appreciate the efforts which has gone behind this? The most important is not how it happened, but about the participation. Preparedness in which you have done from the last 1 month, that really, in fact, requires a salute in itself, in fact. Because the kids are most difficult to manage, we understand that, in fact, or when you actually called all the parents to the stage, that itself was difficult. And making the kids listen to all of you, in fact, it's most difficult. So you have achieved the greater thing, in fact, 100 marks for the participation and all the efforts which all your teachers and all the dance master karate who has invested. In fact, I would like to salute for this. In fact, wonderful event, madam. And the venue which you have chosen this time also, this is really more comfortable also, event everything. So year on year, we are getting a different experience. Everything is good itself. Thank you, ma'am.